students, welcome to Vidya Mirad. This video is made for class 10 on trigonometry ratios, and this video is specially made to understand how we can easily learn the ratios. For that, let us first understand what is the meaning of trigonometry. It means the measurement of triangles, and it generally deals with the relation of sides and angles of right angle triangles only. So in the trigonometry, whenever we are talking about a triangle, it will be related with right angle triangles so that we can use Pythagoras theorem. Now I am putting one line over here, so you need to learn this. Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. Just learn this line and whole of this concept you will find it very easy. So when you know this Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole, just write the first initials of these words, that is PBP, HHB, SCT. So these are the first initials, and when you know this, very easily we can find out the other things. Here P means perpendicular, B means base, H means hypotenuse, S is sine, C is cos, and T is tan. Basically in trigonometry we do 6 trigonometry ratios. Now at present we are talking about 3 ratios, that is sine, cos and tan. And how are we going to do this? Now when we make a triangle, if you see, this is a right angle triangle and we are talking about angle C. So you will be talking about the ratios based on the angles formed. Like you will be told about sine A, you can be asked about sine C. Okay, so according to that you are going to find out their ratios. Now when I say C, C is the angle which we are talking about. Its opposite angle. Opposite angle is, opposite side means AB. AB means it is talking about perpendicular, and BC is the adjacent side which is talking about the base, and AC is the hypotenuse. Considering this, we will be doing the ratios. Now P is perpendicular. When I say, in this case, what is perpendicular? AB. Okay. When I talk about base, what is base? BC. And when I talk about hypotenuse, hypotenuse is AC. So when I know my diagram, when I know which is the opposite side or which is the adjacent side or what is perpendicular or what is base, I can very easily find the other trigonometry ratios. Now I am again writing this. For you can also write this on your rough hand side so that it becomes easier for you to do it initially. That is Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. So I will write its initials PBP, HHB, SCT. Now we will move downwards, that is PHS or BHC or PBT. Your S, C and T, you know it means sine, cos and tan. So sine means P upon H. Now if I look at the triangle ABC, it is right angled at B. You will be talking about looking at angle C. So that is your angle. Based on that angle, we will be talking about what is perpendicular, what is base and what is hypotenuse. Now if I want to know sine C, if you look at my trick, sine is P upon H. What is P? Perpendicular, and H is hypotenuse. And according to the diagram, what is perpendicular? AB. And what is your hypotenuse? AC. So formula is sine C is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is equal to AB upon AC. Let's talk about cos. Now cos is B upon H. B upon H means base upon hypotenuse. So and according to the diagram, what is my base? BC is my base. What is hypotenuse? AC is my hypotenuse. So that means cos C will be equal to BC upon AC. Same way, let's talk about T. T means tan. Now tan is P upon B. What is P? Perpendicular, and B is base. Perpendicular upon base. And what is perpendicular? AB. And what is base? BC. So AB upon BC. So this is how you can very easily remember sine, cos and tan, which is your arrow downwards. Now if you see, there are three more letters, C, S, C. What is this? Here we will use now upward formula or reciprocal of that. Your C means cosec, your S means secant, and your C means cot. So these are the total 6 trigonometry ratios. 3 we have done just now, sine, cos and tan. Its opposite, if you see sine starts with S. S is opposite C. When there is cos opposite its initial is S, and tan opposite is cot. Like that. Now if I want to know cosec, if I want to know sec, if I want to know cot, I will write it opposite or I will write its reciprocal, which means cosec will be equal to H upon P, that is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is AC upon AB. Same way, what is secant now? H upon B, that is hypotenuse upon base, which is AC upon BC. And last is cot C. Cot C is B upon P, that is base upon perpendicular, which is equal to BC upon AB. So just learn this trick, and with that trick you can very easily find out all the 6 ratios. Another thing is, if you see your sine theta, sine will is, you have the reciprocal 1 upon cosec. So that means, suppose I say your sine A is equal to 3 upon 5. Then what is cosec? Cosec will be reciprocal of sine, that is 5 upon 3. Same way, cos will be related with secant and tan will be related with cot. Let's do this with an example. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if AB is equal to 4, BC is equal to 3, find all the 6 trigonometry ratios of angle A. So what are we going to do? We will first make a right angle triangle. They are saying it is right angled at B and we have to form ratios from A. So your triangle becomes CBA. And we are told AB is 4 and BC is 3. We have marked this. Now we don't know AC. We should know AC also. How we are going to do this? We will use Pythagoras theorem to find out the hypotenuse. So what is Pythagoras theorem? It is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, which means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, which is 4 square plus 3 square. So AC square comes out to be 25. That means AC is 5 centimeters. Now we have all the 3 sides with us, and using these 3 sides we can find out the trigonometry ratios. Now I want to know sine A. I know sine A. What is sine A? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is BC upon AC. So it becomes 3 upon 5. Cos A. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse, which is equal to AB upon AC, which is equal to 4 upon 5. And tan is perpendicular upon base, which is 3 upon 4. Now if you get confused in this, you can definitely write your trick in the reference side about Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole, and based on that you can write down these ratios and you can very easily find out their answer. So these are the 3. We have to find out 6. So what is next 3? Sine is related with cosec, cos is related with secant, and tan is related with cot. So their reciprocal will become the other. So what is cosec A? Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A, that is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. So that is 5 upon 3. So secant A is opposite of cos A, that is 5 upon 4, and cot A is reciprocal of tan, that is 4 upon 3. Next example. If sin A is equal to 3 upon 5, find cos A and tan A. Now what does it mean? Sine is represented with P upon H, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and according to the diagram it means we are given BC and we are given CA. but base is not there. So how are we going to find the base? With the help of Pythagoras theorem. So for finding the base, we can use the formula. We will get on solving your base as 4 centimeters. Now, so we have to find out cos A and tan A. Now what is cos A? Cos is base upon hypotenuse and tan is perpendicular upon base. So cos A answer is 4 upon 5 and tan A answer is 3 upon 4. Now example 3. In triangle ABC, right angled at C, if tan A is equal to 1 upon root 3 and tan B is equal to root 3, show that sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is equal to 1. Now here we are given the values of tan A, that means I have to look towards A angle, and tan B I have to look towards B angle. So let us do with the help of case 1 and case 2. In case 1 we will focus upon tan A. From tan A we will find out sin A cos A. And from tan B we will find the values of cos B sin B. We will put it into the formula and we will see whether we are getting 1 or not. Now according to this, if you see, we will make a diagram. Tan A, if your angle is A, it is perpendicular upon base, that is 1 is given on BC, and AC we have root 3. We can find out AB with the help of Pythagoras theorem, which is coming to 2. So using these values we can find out sin A, we can find out cos A. What is sin A? P upon H, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which comes out to be 1 upon 2. Same way, what is cos A? Base upon hypotenuse, that is root 3 upon 2. Now this we have got half of the information using A angle. Now we will use with B angle. For that we will continue on the next page. Case 2. Let's talk about tan B now. In this, tan B means our angle is B and our opposite side will become AC, and opposite is the perpendicular according to the figure, which is given as root 3, and your base is your BC, which is 1. Using this and Pythagoras theorem we can find out the hypotenuse, which will come AB as 2. Now using this we can find out the cos B and sin B. And what is sin B? Sin B is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? AC is my perpendicular. What is hypotenuse? AB. So that is root 3 upon 2. Same way we will find out cos B. Cos B is base upon hypotenuse. What is my base? BC, which is 1, and hypotenuse is AB, which is 2. Now we have all the values sin A, cos B, cos A, sin B. Let us put into this and we will see that we will proving the left hand side. Your sin A and cos B is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Cos A is root 3 by 2. Sin B is also root 3 by 2. On solving this and taking the LCM, we are getting as 1, which means our left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's all for this. I hope you must have understood the concepts and found it very easy. Just remember the trick Pandit Badri Prasad, Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. Based on that, you can find out all the 6 trigonometry ratios and you can score brilliant results. Thank you children so much for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care. And if you have any doubt, any suggestions, you may please mention in the comment section or you can also email me. Goodbye children. Take care.